Hello student, how are you all? Fine. Today we will be learning a new thing. You all like to play games in computer, isn't it? Or you enjoy animation. Isn't it very good that if you can create those games and animation? We will be learning a new concept of coding through which we can create game. We will be learning the programming language or coding language Scratch. It's very easy, very interesting. You will love to do it. I will show you the steps how we can do it, and then you can create your own. Let's start. Introduction to Scratch programming language. Program and programming language. In our daily life, we perform many tasks from dawn to dusk. Any task that we perform includes various steps. We complete it steps by steps in a particular sequence. Example, suppose a teacher asks Kabir to bring notebook of his class from the computer lab. Since he is a new student in the school, so she guides him the way to reach to computer lab. She gives instructions to Kabir in the following manner. Move left from the class and go straight. After leaving 5 classes, take a right turn. Move forward, and after leaving 6 classes, take left turn. After leaving 3 classes, you will reach to the computer lab. Program and programming language. Likewise, our computer follows steps-wise instruction to complete any task which has known computer program. A program is also called software, which tells the computer what to do. Everything that computer does from starting up and starting down, it's done by computer program. Any game that you play in your phone or computer is nothing but the computer program. Even the virus written for the computers are the programs. The language used to write program is called programming language, and the person who writes these programs is known as programmer. Scratch can easily run on different operating systems including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Introduction to Scratch. Scratch is a computer programming language that lets you create own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. Scratch is easy to learn and use. It provides an interactive environment to create programs by dragging block codes. Starting Scratch. To start the Scratch, follow the steps given below. Click on Start button. Choose all the programs. Click on Scratch 2. Scratch window will open. Main components of Scratch. Sprite. Sprite is a small graphics character that perform action in a Scratch project. Scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. Cat is the default sprite in Scratch. Stage. It is the main working area where sprite moves and perform actions as per the instructions given. Here you can watch stories, play games, and run Scratch project that you have created. It is divided into X and Y coordinates. The value of both the coordinates are displayed at the bottom right corner on the stage. These coordinates indicates the position of the sprites on the stage. Sprite list. It displays the thumbnail of all the sprites used in the project. Presentation mode. Presentation modes or view full screen mode button is located at the top left corner of the stage. Click on the button to view the presentations of your project in the full screen mode. Cursor tool. Cursor tools are located at the top of the Scratch window. It provides 4 tools to perform different operations. On Sprite, duplicate. These options creates a duplicate copy of the selected sprite. Delete. Clicking on these options will delete the selected sprite. Grow. As the name suggests, these options help us to increase the size of the sprite. Shrink. These options helps to decrease the size of sprite. Sprite info pen. Click on this eye icon present on the top left corner of a sprite thumbnail. It includes information about the selected sprite as well as the few tools manipulating the sprite. The tools include circular arrow, linear arrow, disable rotation. New sprite button. New sprite buttons are placed at the bottom right corner of the stage. These buttons provides different way to create a new sprite, import and use the available sprite. Let us discuss each one of these. Choose sprites from library. Scratch contains many exciting inbuilt sprites option. Clicking on this button will open the sprite library dialog box which gives you multiple options of sprite. Number 2, paint new sprite. Click on this button will open the costumes window where you can create or draw new sprite. Number 3, upload sprite from file. Clicking on this button will open the select files to upload by app scratch.swf that offers a facility to choose sprite from the file stored in your computer system. New sprite from the camera. These options open up web camera of your system, provide your sprite it equipped with it. Block palette. Block palettes contain the sets of blocks which are used to program the sprites and give action on it. Each block performs specific task in a project. It is used to create script in Scratch. The blocks connect to each other just like the jigsaw puzzle. Script. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. A script consists of least 2 blocks. Script area is a place where you create script for a sprite to do a particular task. A script is created by dragging the instruction from the block palette and dropping the steps wise on the top of each other. Script is also called a program. Let us learn how to drag and drop the scripts area. Moving a sprite. All the instructions related to the movement of the sprites given under the motion block menu. Create your first Scratch program to move the created circular motion. Click on the move 10 step block and drag it in the script area. Change the number of steps from 10 to 20. Click on the block. You will notice that the sprite moves specified number of steps. Click on turn 15-degree block. Now drag and drop it in script area. Place it below the move 20 block. Keep clicking on this script area. The sprite, observe that the sprite is moving 20 steps forward and turning 15-degree in a circular motion on the stage. Know about the motion block. Motion block help us understand use of motion block, which we have to use it. This block moves the sprite 20 steps forward direction. To move the sprites in backward direction, type the number with preceding of minus sign. Turn 15-degree. This block is used to turn the sprite in clockwise direction. To turn the sprite in anti-clockwise, you can use turn opposite, this one. Now we can see 2 buttons. One red and a red button is used to place on the right corner of the stage. It is red in color and is used to stop the project. Green flag. It is a tiny icon placed at the top right corner of the stage screen. Clicking on this flag, it will run the script step by step. To save a project, we need to click on the File menu bar and then click on the Save. Write the Save Project dialog box appear. Choose the desired location where you want to save the Scratch project. Assign the name to your project file name text box. Click on Save button. Your Scratch project will be saved. You can open it whenever it is required. Opening a saved project. To open saved project, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab. Choose the Open option from the drop-down list. The Open Project dialog box appears. Select the project you want to open. Click on the Open button. Selected project will open in the Scratch windows. So what we have learned these chapters? A computer understands only few special languages of its own. These are called programming language. Scratch is one of the easiest programming language. Sprite is a small graphics character that perform action in the Scratch project. Script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to the sprite to do the specific work. Script areas are the place where you create the script for a sprite to do a particular task. All the instructions related to the movement of the sprites are given under the motion block. The block in the pen block will allow the sprite to draw the lines on the stage, change the color thickness of the line.